Hi, my name is Brianne Broussard, and I'm a Mayvenn stylist. I'm here to talk to you about how to revive your damaged extensions. First, what you're going to do is detangle your extension. Use a detangling brush and you will start from the ends of the hair all the way to the weft of the hair. You want to detangle it nice and easy. The next thing that you will do is take a deep conditioner, something that is less alcohol, and you want to take that conditioner, put it all through the shaft of the hair, all the way down to the ends of the cuticle. Go right back in there and comb it out again. Then you're gonna go ahead and boil some hot water. Yes, hot water. You're gonna boil some hot water. Dump some of that deep conditioner into the water. Stir it really good so it can turn into its own mixture. Then you will take in those extensions and dump them into the hair. Make sure you turn the water off. We don't want you to burn anything up. After that, you will leave it in the bowl for about 12 to 24 hours. Come back, wash it off with cold water, let your extensions air dry, and when I tell you, they'll be back to new.